could just put some lo-fi.
Andy?
We could just put some lo-fi and then we're good. Alright, so we are gonna go ahead and test the electrical components of the wooden UGV. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous, and that's why the battery is a little bit further. But Godspeed. Rome wasn't built in a day, so if this does burn down, we have a fire extinguisher, which is not too far away right there. So we are taking safety very seriously. But God bless this project, and then God bless the United States of America. And I'm gonna plug in the battery and see what happens.
Well, the best of luck for you.
Thank you. Let me actually turn these off.
You put double it a lot of
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
come out there.
Yeah, just leave it where it is. I'm still in it. Hello, the machine.
हाँ लैंड करने से
काली होगी मगर अब तो
खैर वो तो कोई गल नहीं भैया कर वो करंट तो लगना होता है एक बार सच ला दो फट के ला दो बस आ जाएगा ट्रक का लाइट जगे इधर हम पहुंच गए
वो जी
जगह दी सी हम पहुंच गए
name on. So the Robopot is on right now. I'm gonna power up the Arduino. Just get ready with the extinguisher. The Arduino is on. Our fireman is ready. I'm gonna turn on the radio link. And there we have it, ladies and gents. This is magic.
Boy.
I don't smell anything burning.
The speed, can the speed?
Oh, we're gonna have to program that later.
ब्रेक तो लगी हुई
This is for turning.
ये मोड़ आवे
so it turns as well. It's a little. Kejike Daldia, so it's stuttering a little bit, jerky, but I think I could program that to be better. But that's a big relief that the motor controller is working, and but there's no dude, this is such a relief. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, so this is backwards, I think. So it goes forward and backwards really nice. They're both in sync. So that's really nice. It's just the
और आते हुए
it's like turning, but it's not in sync. And that's why I think it's maybe
ये तो ब्रेक होता है
I don't think so, because then the linear motion,
कम ना लीजिए आप
because that's perfect.
तो सब सही लगे भाई
Yeah, because the linear motion's perfect.
हम लोग पहले चलिए तो ये देखिए बड़े आए थे तो क्या साथ मैं वीडियो बनाना
Okay, if you're down, yeah, I'm gonna end this video and we're gonna do a test run outside.
ये